Welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in the session we will understand India's Maldives trade relation. Okay, so you can see this is our India and this is Maldives. Okay, so this is the strategic location which is situated in the international shipping lane in Indian Ocean. Okay, which is vital for the global trade and energy flow. Okay, so this is strategic location in Indian Ocean. Okay, now what we product export from India to Maldives. So this is the details of 2023 in which we have export the stone, plaster, cement, asbestos, mica and similar material of the $4.94 million. Okay, then soap, lubricant, wax, candle and metallic plaster is exported from India to Maldives 4.5 million. Okay, then tanning, dyeing and extracted tannings, derivations, pigment is exported from India $4.01 million. Okay, and coffee, tea and made spices exported from India to Maldives is $3.33 million. Now, what we import from Maldives? So we have imported $1.34 million aluminum from the Maldives in 2023. Okay, then electrical and electronics equipment is $988,000. Then mineral fuels, oil, distillations product $185,000. Okay, then machinery, nuclear reactor and boiler $66,000. So we can see there is a difference between export and import. Okay, so our trade is surplus with the Maldives because we export much and we import less. So our balance of payment is surplus in this case. So it is good for Indian economy. Now we will understand the relation with the Maldives. Okay, so Maldives new president Mohammad Miazu is famous. Okay, for what? Indian out campaign aimed to reduce Indian influence in his country. Okay, this timeline track developments after his election. Okay, how he win the election? By using the campaign India out, Indian influence. Okay, whatever India has invest in Maldives, he want to remove this Indian influence. Okay, so he win by using India out campaign. Okay, so Mohammad Miazu became president in November 2023. Okay, Miazu is a protege of the former leader of the Abdullah Yamin. Okay, so previous prime minister is previous president is Abdullah Yamin. Okay, and Yamin received fund from the China as a part of Belt and Road Infrastructure Program. Okay, so this is the pro India, and this new president is Mohammad Miazu is the anti India. At this time when he want to he was in election at that time. Okay, so after becoming the president, Miazu skipped the India visit because every president always visit to nearest big countries to develop the new relation with the country economic and strategy level, like to develop the country's economy and all the things. So this is a need to the Mohammad Miazu need to visit to India, but he skipped this. But he visit to Turkey after the becoming president. Okay, and the breaking with the tradition of the country and president visiting first India. Okay, he skipped the visit of the India, and then he went to China, then UAE, but he not come to India. Okay, but now at this time, after 1 year completing his presidency, he come to India. Then after becoming this president, Miazu discussed with the eviction of the Indian troops. Okay, so once he become the president in November, and December he take decision to remove the Indian troops from the Maldives. So president say India has to agree to remove the troops from Maldives. Okay, around 75 military personnel carry out and humanitarian activities in the countries. So he stopped these activities. Which okay, then there is another hydrologic pact. So he said, Mohammed Miazu said, there is no renewal of Maldives India's hydro pact. In December 2003, Miazu cabinet decided not to renew a 2019 MOU with India for carrying out hydrological survey in Maldives waters. This survey were into improve the navigation and blue economy, which were now seen as a infringing Maldives sovereignty. Okay, so you can understand after becoming this prime minister, he takes such decision which is against India. Okay, then his minister like Mohammad Miazu minister make the despairing remarks against Modi. So what are these? Just like a three Maldives minister accused of India targeting Maldives beaches focus on tourism after Prime Minister Modi post about touring Lakshadweep beach. They are because these impact the Maldives tourism. Okay, and May 2024, Indian troops fully withdrawn from the Maldives. Okay, so repatriations of the some 19 Indian militaries personnel secretaries Maldives is completed removed from this Maldives. So we can understand the what are the relation with Maldives of India. Okay, and what we export to Maldives and what we import to Maldives. Okay, so mainly now the Maldives is influenced by the China. Okay, and he visit to China, and China also invest in the Maldives because this is strategic location in the Indian Ocean. So China is very eager to invest in this location because he already invest in the Sri Lanka. Okay, so he also invest in the Maldives. So guys, in this session we have understand what is the trade and relation with the Maldives. So we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.